Welcome to our channel, where we understand everything related to finance and investment. Today we have a special topic. Many of you have asked this question, and we decided to break it down. How and where to invest with $10 in 2023. Yes, you heard that right. You can start investing even with such a small amount, and today we will tell you how to do it as efficiently as possible. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, it is always important to remember that every investment is a step towards your financial well-being. That's why we're here to help you make those moves sound and confident. Today's video will be useful to anyone who wants to start their journey in investing, or just looking for new ideas on how to make their money work. And before we start, I want to recommend you to earn on the best platform for investing and trading, Bybit. And this is not just advertising. Together with Bybit, we are giving away 100 promo codes for $1,000. You just need to register and invest your first $1,000 from the promotional code, link in the description. So we start. Chapter 1: The importance of investing even if you have $10. You might think $10 is too small to start investing, but let me surprise you. It may seem like a small amount, but in fact, starting to invest even with such an amount is a great first step in your investment adventures. First, starting small is a great way to learn the basics of investing without risking large sums. You will learn how different types of investments work, how to analyze investment opportunities, and how to manage your investments. Second, investments, even small ones, stimulate the formation of important financial habits. You will learn how to regularly save money, keep track of your expenses and income, and plan your finances for the future. Finally, it is important to understand that investing does not always mean making quick profits. Investing is a longer-term process, and even small daily or monthly investments can bring results. So don't give up on the idea of investing just because you have only $10. This is already a good start. Instead, use that $10 as your launching pad into the world of investing. Chapter 2: Understanding investments and how to grow your capital without risk. Investment is the process of allocating resources, time, money, effort, in the hope of making a profit or income in the future. In the context of finance, this means buying assets that are expected to increase in value, or will generate income in the form of dividends, interest, or capital. Here are a few reasons why investing is important. Capital growth. The main reason why investing is important is the ability to grow your capital. When you invest, your goal is to make money work for you, not against you. Additional income. Many investments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can generate income, which can be used to purchase additional investments, pay off debt, or cover living expenses. Conservation of purchasing power. Over time, inflation reduces the value of money. Investments help protect the purchasing power of your savings by generating growth that exceeds the rate of inflation. Support for financial goals. Money from investments can support important financial goals, such as buying a house, educating children, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. Dependence on income. Investments allow you to be less dependent on a permanent income from work, creating additional sources of income. Financial freedom. Finally, investing is a step towards financial freedom. The more you invest, the more opportunities you have to use your time how you want, not how you need to. There is a principle in the financial world called the power of compound interest. This means that even small amounts of money invested over the long term can turn into significant amounts, due to interest accruing over time. When you invest money, you earn interest on the amount of your investment. You then start earning interest on that interest. This is compound interest. That is why even small amounts can increase significantly over a long period of time. Remember the famous expression, "A penny saves a dollar." You can start with $10, and by regularly investing just $10 each week or month, you will be surprised how much this amount will grow in 5 to 10 years due to compound interest. Thus, the main thing is to start. A small step of $10 investment today can lead to big financial success in the future. Chapter 3: How to start investing with $10. Recommendations to help you invest with $10. Understand your finances. Before you start investing, make sure you are able to meet your current financial obligations. This includes paying bills, paying off debts, and creating an emergency fund. Education. Before investing in any product or service, it is important to educate yourself and understand what you are investing in. There are many free resources online to help you get started. Open an investment account. To invest, you will need to open an investment account. It's important to choose a broker or exchange that offers low fees, especially since you only have $10. Choose what you want to invest in. There are many different investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Explore each one to find out which one suits you best. Start investing. Once you have chosen what you want to invest in, you can get started. Initially, there may be some minimum deposits that you must make, but there are certain platforms that allow you to start with any amount. Review your investment strategy. Once you have started investing, it is important to review your strategy periodically. This will help you determine if your current strategy is working or if you need to change something. It is important to remember that investing is a long-term process, and you may have to wait a while before you see a profit. Be patient and avoid making impulsive decisions. So, friends, we are running out of this video. This was the first part. In the second part, we will analyze specific ways to invest from $10, show on a personal example where we invest, and give advice on how to save the money we earn. Well, as you already understood, you can even earn on promotional codes, for example, on Bybit. And not just invest from $10 but from $1,000 just for registration.